Hey guys, it's Ben Footh with Footh Performance. Sitting behind me is an absolutely beautiful Jeep Grand Cherokee SRT that we sold the customer a few months ago. The customer recently reached out to us and said that they want their exhaust to be a little bit louder. So we elected to go with the American-made Corsa Performance Xtreme exhaust system. Wait till you hear this.
All right guys, so we just finished the installation of the Corsa Performance Xtreme catback exhaust system on this 14 SRT8 Grand Cherokee. This system's supposed to increase the airflow by about 77%. It's supposed to increase your foot-pounds of torque by 40, and it's supposed to increase the horsepower of about plus 26. We do offer financing. If you do want to do something like this, give us a call today, 651-453-1000. Like I said, we offer financing for all types of stuff like this, but I'll tell you what, enough about that. Let's give it a listen.